Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now in this lesson, we're going to learn the use of two tools, that is the spot healing brush and the patch tool. Now let's first look at the spot healing brush. You can use that tool to get rid of unwanted things on your image. Now let's say, for example, I have this image. I want to remove these balloons over here, the white balloons in my image. I'll use the spot healing brush. And a clever way of using that is by using a new layer. So I'll come here and add a new layer. Then I'll do the adjustment on this layer so that I won't destroy the original layer. So I've added a new layer. I'll come back here, select the spot healing brush, then come and adjust the size. Now if it's too big, you're going to decrease the size and then just click on it. Now as you can see, if I click on it, nothing is happening. As you can see, that's because at the top over here, I'm supposed to select sample all layers. So I'll select that. Now the brush will sample everything under that layer that I've selected. That means it will make the edits to this one, but it won't destroy it. So I'll come back here again and click on it. And as you can see, it's removed the balloon for me. I'll go ahead and remove some of this down here. You can reduce the size as you go. And this is a really quick, easy way of removing things from your image. And it's pretty fun too. So you can see I've removed all the balloons that were around here. And there we have it. Now that's one way of hiding unwanted things. The other way is by using a patch tool. So let's say I want to hide these rocks that are on this ground. So first I'll unlock this layer. Then again I want to work on a new layer so that I won't destroy it. Now if you come back here again, if I turn this off, my original layer remains the same. I did not destroy it. So I'll just turn this on, and as you can see, the edits are on this new layer. That's why we're using a new layer. So I'll come back to this one. I've already added a new layer. Come back over here. So I right click and select the patch tool. Now once you select the patch tool, come over here, make sure it's on content aware, then sample all layers. Make sure you sample all layers. Then come over here and just click and draw around. Okay, so just draw around the area that you want to remove. Then just click and drag. And as you can see, that's how you remove it. Then Control D to deselect. Come here again, draw around the object that you want to remove. Then click that selection and drag it somewhere where you want to replace the object with. So I'll replace it with that. The selection is made. Then Control D to deselect. Again, this one over here. Then click and drag. As you can see, that's another way of removing unwanted things from your image. You have this one over here. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Control D to deselect, and we've removed those patches, those white patches that we had on our grass. And the reason why we work on that new layer so that we do not destroy our original layer. If I turn this off, my original layer is still intact. It's not been changed, but the changes have been made on this new layer.